Namaste everyone. Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is our visit vlog to Hatta. My father is recording and I am enjoying my breakfast with my chama at the back. And my mother is drinking tea. She's enjoying it. We are in the desert now. And it's so beautiful. Look at the sun. My father is driving. My mother is recording. And I feel so sleepy. Look at me. And my chama is watching outside in the beautiful sceneries. I feel so sleepy. I want to sleep. The road is empty and it's still beautiful. And look at my mom, she's sleeping. And look at me, I was tired and I woke up. Look at my mom. Wow. Look at the beautiful clouds. Now we are on the rocky hills. The rocks are so bumpy and it is made out of rocks. That's why it's called the Rocky Hills. That's what I call it. And it's so beautiful. Look at the clouds. It looks like we're in heaven right now. So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. We arrived. Look at the sceneries. You can just eat the clouds like cotton candies. Yummy! Look at the rocky hills. Now we are gonna go. Look, what they're boating. Now we are gonna go boating. Now we got our tickets and we're walking to our life jackets. And they'll check our ticket. Look at me, I'm so excited. Look at the beautiful water. Look at those fishes. Now we are gonna get our life jackets. We are gonna boat there. I am so excited. We got our life jackets now. Now I'm putting my life jacket. My mom is helping me. I'm running. Look at the view. And this name is kayak. And now we are in the Hatta Dam. I'm so excited. Look at me.
Backward जाना पड़े ना.
And
Bye, brother.
That uncle helped us to get on. So my mom and dad is rolling. My camera is at the back. I'm scared. This is my first time kayaking. Look at my face. Oh, now we are here in almost the middle of the lake. The others are there and we are so happy. We're enjoying. So I am comfortable now because now I'm enjoying so much. I saw by mom and dad they are looking great today. And look at them. And look at my channel. And hi.
1, 2, 3, go!
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. That's why so great. Akama, galing kansada. Yara ko akama, galing kansada.
Hey!
Farewell. Look at me. I am enjoying. Oh, be careful, Baba. We might touch that boat. I'm drinking Fanta.
Hatta ko ay naman rin ni. Ay.
Oh yeah, I forgot. We saw these kind of water birds. They're not ducks though.
Lah. Acu! Acu! Babaको त्यो आचु! हैन छोड।
होइन होस् म डर लाग्छ है फेरि होइन it's okay चलाउ ल
पुलिसले चलाइरहेछ यहाँ।
कसरी गर्नु पर्यो कि सजिलो त्यति चाहिँ यतापट्टि बस्नु अनि यता हेर्दै
आचु! आचु!
काली छोरी यता हेर त
आचु! आचु! यहाँ भयो भिडियो छेउमा चाहिँ यता चाहिँ लिनुहोस् ले के हो यस्तो लिनुहोस् एकदम एक्साइटेड भयो लिनुहोस् एक्साइटेड हो ए Bye.
Now we are gonna go on the sliding car. Now gonna take us on top of the rocky hill so we can slide down. Now we are moving. Look. So it's kinda bumpy and like it's slow, but we're so excited. My Chama and me are so excited. excited. I'm not lying.
Nossa, corajoso mesmo aqui, ó. Toca aqui. Vem pra cá que o moço tá filmando.
Mas mamãe, eu não fiquei com medo. Você ficou com medo porque você levou
Đâu lái à? Very good. मजा आयो कस्तो आयो
Now look at it. Look at the beautiful sceneries. Look at that ball. Now we are going.
हत्ता ड्यामबाट चाहिँ फर्केर अब रसलपुर वाटरफलतिर जाँदैछौँ होइन त अब कति जाँदैछौँ हामी लिङ्समा बहिनी ड्याम सक्यो ड्यामबाट सकिएर अब वाटरफल लिनुसमा महारानी त्यसरी छ यहाँ
Look at the waterfall. Look at my very, very unique walk. So that's it. Bye, guys.